A rusted out trunk torsion bar chassis can cause many issues when opening and closing the trunk. It can be a cumbersome part to find during your restoration. Fortunately, OPGI has you covered. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 Chevelle convertible trunk torsion bar chassis. Sold complete, the assembly includes the deck filler supports, trunk hinges, and inner wheelhouse braces. Each chassis is manufactured from heavy gauge steel for authenticity and accuracy. At the end of the production line, each chassis is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.